So first off, we're going to start by writing our formula.
Okay.
Y equals mx plus b. Come on, just like. Okay. and then don't we we go over the chart?
Yeah, my suggestion is find your B first.
Yeah. Wait, what?
B. Your y-intercept. What's your B?
We can do 6.25.
Okay, how'd you know 625 was your B?
Because it's a 0 to x.
So in our case here, our drinks is what our x is, and that is 0. Okay. Now, how do I figure out M?
Rise over row.
Okay. What if I don't have a graph? What if I have a table?
You can put the numbers beside each other on the table.
Can I make a suggestion? Go from $10 to $13.75,
3.75.
because then you could do it in your head. All right. So what's your M? And how'd you know?
Our M would be
3.75.
Because if you do 3.7, I mean, yeah, 3.75 plus 10, it'll give you that. If you do 13.75 plus 10,
whoa.
3.75 over 1 is 3.75.
that's how you know basically.
That work? Changing y over changing x? All right. So what's your formula?
3.75.
Y equals 3 plus 75.
Plus what?
Plus 6.
625. Okay. How we doing? Y'all good so far?
No, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, that's our Y. Okay.
Okay, which one do you want to solve for first? A or B?
A.
Okay.
Go
Hmm? Okay, we have a question. How do we get 3.75 again? Somebody want to explain that?
You add.
You add
Because
10.
if you do, what is 10 plus 3?
Yeah, I got that.
And then you just do 0.75, and then if you do 10 plus 3.75, it'll give you 13.75. If you do 10 minus 3.75.
Yeah, I got
Because I'm just looking for the change in y over change in x. So she's exactly right. All right, so y'all said you wanted to do A. So what is your slope?
Our slope will be
20 cents.
no 0.20 cents. Yeah.
Yeah, 20 cents.
I almost said
How'd y'all know?
because it's it says each 0.20 for each
purchase.
Each fish.
Okay.
Live fish.
I'm trying to run and stuff. All right, what about B?
Wait, what is the y-intercept in this situation? That would be 1250.
How do you know it's 1250?
Because it's the one.
Because
It's
for
like
one fish tank.
yeah. Said at the same time.
Okay, only buying one fish tank. And your equation?
0 or 20. Well, y equals 20 cents x. Plus 1250.
All right, any questions? All right, what do y'all want to do? The y-intercept or your M? Y-intercept. What's our y-intercept?
0.
And what's the 0 talking about?
The brown sugar.
Wait, what's it? Why?
You're right. It is.
The origins.
So it's talking about extra brown sugar.
Oh.
Now, in this case, as I try to misspell sugar again, in this case, we only care about the extra, which there is none. That's the reason why we don't usually put plus 0. Alrighty. So I can use that point. I can use this point. How do I do slope given a graph?
So on the point, make a right first. You
8, 3.
that'll be 3 over 4.
Okay, how'd y'all get 3 over 4?
Because because it's rise over run.
Wait, Miss Girl, I got a question.
What you got?
Like, so you see right here, Wait, couldn't you like do it like that? Cause that's what I did at first.
So Addison just asked if she could do this and make the triangle like this.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which way. Cause
It's still the
it's
same
both
thing.
equals the same thing.
Oh,
Similar right triangles. All right, and what's my equation?
Oh,
Y
that'd be
y
equals
equals
3/4, right?
no, that'd be 3/4
X
plus
plus
b plus 0.
Which I don't have to write my plus 0. I can just write y equals 3/4 x. All right, is there any questions here?
No, man.
All right, let's find your y-intercept first.
6.
How'd you know 6?
Because we have 0 and an X.
it's your Y and make the X.
The zeros and your x. Always make sure the zeros and your x, not any other number. All right? How do I get to m?
Let me see.
What does B stand for?
Y-intercept.
Wouldn't it be
How come
like
It's like the beginning of your graph.
Oh,
What?
oh.
No,
No, to get to y is
6.25.
6.25.
Yeah, 6.25.
Okay, how'd you get that?
Because,
Did you go like here to here?
nope, I went to 5 to 10. I went to 12.45 minus, no, like 18.5 minus 12.45.
Okay, so you did this one,
Yes, ma'am.
and we also have this one too.
Rise over.
Wait. How'd you get? Oh,
Because when
I
we
didn't-
added up,
you get 18.5. Okay, but
and then rise over run.
Okay, so that's also known as change in y over change in x, right? So isn't that my change in y over my change in x of 5?
Yes, ma'am.
I have decimals, so what is that?
1.25.
1.25. All right, so from here, what's my equation?
Y equals,
Y
1.25x plus 6.
All right, number 5. How do I do number 5?
Number 5.
So first
so-
we look for m, so, plus 2 equals, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 50 plus 40 equals
Well, no, you
9.
wait, first off, you gotta pick your,
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
Yeah, he said 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
And
Are y'all
50 plus
listening?
40 is 90.
Because I'm going to show you something.
And then 40 over 2 is 20, so that's your m.
Okay, what do you notice? What do you not see, should I say?
the
0.
Yeah, the 0.
So you don't have a 0. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You can do, and you don't have to write this one down, you can always refer back to videos. You can do y equals mx plus b. Solve it in. So like I can use 50 is equal to 20 times 2 plus b. I just used my x and my y that was first. From there, I get 40 plus b equals 50
Oh, b is
minus 40 minus 40
It's 10.
cancels.
I already said
10 is equal to b. That is one way to do it. That will work every time. However, there is an easier way if you can manipulate your table. Y'all good with this?
Okay, so
Yep, we're going to manipulate our table. So, can I get 2 to 0?
yes.
Yes.
If you subtract back, so -2 and -40.
So watch this. Whatever I subtract on one side, I have to subtract the same amount that I was adding. I'm now going to subtract,
That'd be minus 40, so that'd be 10.
That'd be 0 and 10. So let's.
which gives me
I know the
that.
equation.
And what's your equation?
Oh my God.
Y equals 20x plus 10.
Bro, John.
Gracias.
Bro. And that is all my homework.
Fabulous.
Who's that, Miss Karen?
Student.
First period.
That's Gio.
Everybody should.
Okay, we good?
I got him for 43.
Okay, number 6.
What you got?
Okay, so first you
Can somebody
add.
else get a turn?
No.
Yes, let somebody else have a turn.
Like, you did two, I did, and he did one, so it's not his turn.
Okay. So to get 3 to 6, you gotta add 3. Then to get to -6 to -12, you gotta subtract 6. Right.
Okay.
And then it will be -6 over 3. And then you'll get.
That's your M.
You got to simplify it though.
-2 is your answer.
Okay. 0 stuck. -2.
And then your D is.
Hold on, having technical difficulties.
Okay, so MB.
It's spinning.
Huh?
What's spit? Oh, the little loading.
Yeah, I'm spinning.
0.
And your B.
She said, hold up. Hold on. 0.
Okay, yeah, you got to back up a second because you got some people in here not even paying attention. All right, so y'all are good with -2. Is everybody in here good with -2?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, translate how you got that B is 0.
I subtracted, I added, 6, and, I, subtracted 3, and I get 0 on both sides. And y equals -2x.
He's always gonna take it.
I am, thank you very much.
Okay, are y'all good on Y?
Okay, hold on.
If you're not, ask. You got some really smart minds in here. Go for it. Ask questions. Y'all listen.
How did you get 0 is one question. Like, how?
By manipulating it.
What does that
Where did
mean?
you get the -2x?
I mean, he said so when you
Oh,
so
wait.
you basically do what you did to plus.
Just in your head, imagine 6 minus
Because
6.
if I can get my table to 0, I don't have to do
Right.
So what did they subtract?
6 minus 6 is 0.
No, it's 43.
But you know how many people, when you start with -6 and you add 6, you know how many people don't know that's at 0? A lot.
I work for this.
Just saying.
More sense.
It's a shortcut. All right, number 7. And then I'm going to give you a minute to look over 8, 9, and 10 to see which ones y'all want to do.
Alright. Alright, so we can do. Wait, who wants to go next?
Me.
You always go. So
Well, then we let Addison go.
Huh?
Let Addison
I
go.
was just,
That's
okay.
exactly what you get.
So you can like circle the 1 and 0, right?
Okay, and what's that tell me?
That's your B.
What's
Oh,
that?
it's on you B.
So which one's my B, the 0 or the 1?
1.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
So then you go over, right? And then you plus. Wait.
Trust me. You want to use this set.
Okay. So you do plus 1, I believe.
Yep.
And then on the bottom you do
Was
plus
1 or 0.5.
Mm-mm.
It's 1/5.
It's 1/5. I don't want decimals. No decimals. Decimals not good.
So then you wanna do so what's your M be
Just divide it.
It would just be 1/5.
Just divide it.
So there's your M, is 1/5.
I know, that's your already.
so then your equation
It's
would
just
be
1/5. And then
your equation would be y equals 1/5
1/5 x.
1/5 x plus 1. Yeah.
You got it.
Oh, plus no.
That's it. You're good. Good job. So, what do you know?
You know
So
that the front yard is 5. I mean 5.
What is that in the front yard?
It is tree planted and a tree planted.
are we actually drawing this?
Mhm.
Oh,
Your hair is something like this.
Stop.
she's not an artist.
You forgive
She's a
me.
master.
Too late, you forget.
Okay, what else do we know?
On my desk.
We know that. Wait, where are we?
Number 10.
We know one. Wait, the
We know
tree
that
should
Jack
grow.
It's told that one tree should go about an inch. I mean, 1 over 5 inches each one.
So that would be your M.
Okay. Now hold on. What else do we know? We're not done yet.
Hold on. What X
We
represents?
know. Wait,
X equals what?
1.
No, X equals 1/5, right?
No. What does it say?
Let X represent
Month.
the number of month. Oh,
And Y equals?
the represents of the height.
Okay. Now, what's your equation?
Equals,
Yes, you want me to.
so y,
1/5
y equals 1/5 x
x
plus 5,
5 1/4.
5 and 1/4.
And you're done. So the whole purpose of the picture, and as you guys can see, it doesn't have to be a pretty picture. It's just got to be something that represents what you can see. So, I mean, it can be a little squiggly tree.
Making your tree look better, Miss Carey.
Right.
That's okay if your tree is not perfect. We're in math class. We're just trying to get the gist of it. Pictures sometimes, guys, help. In fact, it'll help you figure out what's going on a whole lot faster than words will. Hence why I like to draw pictures. Do I always? No, but it can help. So FYI. The rest of the time is yours to do homework.